Includes 4-piece kit for grooming versatility. Fits PMT, PMT2, D4, D5, GI, GTO, SLII, RT1. Comb sizes 0, 1, 2, 3, 1/16, 1/8, 1/4, 3/8. Includes 4-piece kit for grooming versatility. Fits PMT, PMT2, D4, D5, GI, GTO, SLII, RT1. Comb sizes 0, 1, 2, 3, 1/16, 1/8, 1/4, 3/8. Andis Company traces its roots back to the early 1920s when Mathew Andis, who was working at Mitchell Motor Car Company in Racine, Wisconsin, USA as a toolmaker, decided to leave and start his own business. John Oster and Henry Meltzer came to his home and asked to be partners, and Andis O M Manufacturing was born. Their venture grew quickly and soon their tool and die company had been contracted to make tooling to produce clipper blades for a hand-operated non-motorized hair clipper. Andis' main advantage was that the Andis clipper was smaller, faster and delivered a higher performance. Production began in the basement of the Andis family home, with the entire family helping to assemble the clippers. Mathew sold them door-to-door to barbershops in Racine and the surrounding area. Top reviews from the United States. Fits my Babyliss FX Pro Gold. I have a Babyliss Pro FX 787 Gold outliner. Those who own one know that Babyliss does not make guards for it. This packet of 4 guards, 1.5, 3, 6, and 9 mm, all fit it perfectly. The plastic used feels resilient. I am glad someone on a barber forum mentioned that they fit.